Hi. Welcome back. In our last class, we learnt Domain Name System, DNS. In today's class, we will be learning Remote Access. Definition and importance of remote access. Remote access refers to the ability to access a computer, network, or system from a distant location. It allows users or administrators to connect to and control a device or service without being physically present. The importance of remote access in today's digital world is significant across many sectors. 1. Supports remote work, enables employees to access workplace systems and data from anywhere, boosting flexibility and work-life balance. 2. Business continuity, ensures operations can continue during emergencies, travel, or lockdowns without physical access to offices. 3. Efficient IT support, allows technicians to diagnose and fix issues remotely, reducing downtime and costs. 4. Access to centralized resources, lets users interact with centralized databases, servers, or applications from various locations. 5. Cost savings, reduces the need for physical infrastructure, travel, and on-site staff. 6. Real-time collaboration, enables real-time file sharing, meetings, and development work across teams spread globally. Common use cases: remote work, IT support, system administration. Remote work. Access company resources, files, and applications from home or on the go. IT support. Diagnose and resolve technical issues on user devices remotely, saving time and resources. System administration. Manage servers, update software, configure networks, and monitor systems without being on-site. Education and training. Enable remote teaching, virtual labs, and access to academic resources for students and instructors. Telemedicine. Allow healthcare professionals to consult with patients and access medical records securely. Remote monitoring. Monitor surveillance systems, industrial controls, or IoT devices from a central location. Types of remote access. We have 3 types of remote access. VPN, Visual Private Network. RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. VNC, Visual Network Computing. 1. Visual Private Network. This is used in shielding users' identity device. IP address is used to identify the user, in such a way that the activity of that device cannot be traced or seen, and it also encrypts. 2. Remote Desktop Protocol. This is a software that is developed by Microsoft to connect to a graphical interface and use it to achieve a task. 3. Visual Network Computing. This is the ability for a user to connect or troubleshoot a system from afar and that is not even in between your geographical system. Authentication and security measures. 1. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Adds an extra layer of security beyond just a password, e.g., OTP, biometrics. 2. Strong password policies. Enforce complex passwords and regular changes to reduce risk of brute force attacks. 3. VPN, Virtual Private Network. Encrypts data traffic between the user and the network, preventing interception. 4. Firewalls and access controls. Restrict access based on user roles, IP addresses, or device types. 5. Session timeout and auto-logout. Ends inactive sessions to minimize risk from unattended devices. 6. Regular security updates and patch management. Keeps remote access tools and systems safe from known vulnerabilities. 7. End-to-end encryption. Protects data in transit from being read or tampered with. 8. Device and endpoint security. Ensures connected devices are protected by antivirus, encryption, and updated OS/software. Best practices for secure remote access. Endpoint protection. You ensure that the devices you are using to gain access should be very secure, antivirus, firewall setup, and all other security measures. Ensure secure connection, e.g. Wi-Fi. Learn complex passwords. Regular update of software. Limit the numbers if user to your system. Least privilege. This entails that when permission is granted that they are being granted at when due or necessary. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.